Welcome to Dola Tales, where we uncover the secrets of financial freedom through engaging stories that inspire your path to wealth. Meet Ryan, a hard-working 25-year-old grocery clerk who feels stuck in a loop, trading his precious time for very little money. He stares at his bank account every month, watching his small savings stagnate while the cost of living continues to rise. Desperate for a change, Ryan realizes he cannot continue down this path if he ever wants to achieve true financial independence. He decides to visit Mr. Dana, a wealthy and wise elder in the town, known for his incredible business acumen. Ryan nervously approaches the grand estate, hoping that Mr. Dana will share the secrets behind his vast fortune and success. Sitting in the library, Ryan asks how a young man with limited resources can possibly build wealth in such difficult times. Mr. Dana smiles warmly, pouring tea, and tells Ryan that building passive income requires following 7 specific and disciplined steps. The first lesson is to prioritize saving money, ensuring you keep a portion of your earnings before paying anyone else. Dana warns him to avoid bad debt at all costs, because interest payments will destroy his ability to invest later. Ryan learns that discipline is key. He must live below his means now to enjoy a life of abundance later. Imagine your savings as seeds. If you eat the seeds now, you will never be able to harvest a forest. Ryan takes detailed notes, realizing his mistake of spending his paycheck immediately on things that do not bring future value. He commits to creating a strict budget, cutting out unnecessary expenses to build the initial capital required for his first investment. With the first step understood, Mr. Dana moves to the second crucial rule: avoiding the trap of buying luxury liabilities. Many young people waste money on expensive cars and phones to impress others, losing their chance to build real wealth. These items lose value the moment you buy them, draining your wallet instead of putting money back into your pocket. Ryan looks at his cracked phone and realizes he does not need the newest model to be happy or successful. True wealthy people buy assets that generate cash flow first, then use that income to purchase their luxuries much later. This concept of delayed gratification is the dividing line between those who stay poor and those who eventually become wealthy. Ryan decides to drive his old car for a few more years, redirecting those car payments into his freedom fund. Now that money is being saved, Mr. Dana introduces the third step: finding opportunities that are right in front of you. You do not need to invent the next big technology. Simply observe the needs and struggles of people in your community. Look for simple problems, like a neighborhood needing better internet, a demand for fresh eggs, or space for storage rental. Ryan begins to walk through his town with fresh eyes, looking for gaps in the market rather than just consuming. He notices that many people in his apartment complex struggle to find time for laundry due to their busy schedules. This observation sparks an idea. Perhaps he could provide a convenient service that solves this daily problem for his neighbors. Mr. Dana nods in approval, explaining that the best businesses are often simple solutions to boring, everyday problems we ignore. With an idea in mind, Ryan is ready for the fourth step: starting small and taking immediate action right now. Do not wait for the perfect moment or a massive amount of capital. Start with what you have in your hand. Starting small reduces your risk, allowing you to learn valuable lessons without the fear of losing your entire life savings. Ryan decides not to rent a shop yet, but to start with a single used washing machine in his garage. Fear of failure often paralyzes people, but taking that first small step is the only way to break through hesitation. He prints simple flyers and distributes them, getting his first customer within days, proving that his business model actually works. That first dollar earned from his own business feels far more rewarding than any paycheck he ever received from his job. As the small business begins to generate cash, Mr. Dana teaches him the fifth step: reinvesting profits to expand scale. Do not spend your profits on a vacation yet. Use that money to buy more equipment and grow the business. This is where the magic of compounding happens, turning a small side hustle into a powerful engine of passive income. Ryan uses the income from the first machine to buy a second one, doubling his capacity and his potential revenue. He also invests in better detergent and a folding table, improving his service quality to attract even more loyal customers. Eventually, he hires a neighbor to handle the physical work, allowing him to step back and manage the business remotely. This transition marks the shift from being self-employed to being a business owner who earns money while he is sleeping. With the laundry business running smoothly, Mr. Dana introduces the sixth step: diversifying income sources to ensure long-term financial stability. Never rely on a single stream of income. If one source dries up, you need others to sustain your lifestyle. Ryan looks at the real estate market, considering how he can use his laundry profits to purchase a rental property. He finds a small apartment nearby that needs renovation, seeing the potential to rent it out to students or workers. By having multiple income streams, Ryan creates a safety net that protects him from economic downturns or unexpected market changes. He purchases the property, renovates it, and soon has a tenant paying monthly rent, adding another robust stream of income. Now he has income from his job, the laundry service, and the rental property, tripling his original monthly cash flow. However, the journey is not over. Mr. Dana emphasizes the final seventh step: patience and the commitment to continuous learning. Wealth is not built overnight. It requires years of consistency, patience, and the resilience to keep going when things get tough. The world changes rapidly, so you must constantly read books, attend seminars, and upgrade your skills to stay ahead of everyone. Ryan dedicates his evenings to learning about tax laws, investment strategies, and market trends to optimize his growing business empire. There were months when machines broke or tenants left, but Ryan remained patient, knowing these were just temporary obstacles to success. 5 years have passed since that first meeting with Mr. Dana, and Ryan's life has transformed beyond his wildest imagination. He no longer works at the grocery store. Instead, he manages his portfolio of businesses and enjoys true financial freedom. Ryan visits Mr. Dana again, not to ask for advice, but to thank him for the wisdom that changed his life. Mr. Dana smiles, happy to see that his knowledge has been passed down, creating another success story in their community. The journey to wealth is available to anyone willing to save, invest, and persist through the challenges of the beginning. Thank you for watching Dola Tales. If this story inspired you, please subscribe and share it with a friend today.